In this video, I will explain how you can naming coordination compound in easy way. Let's start with first example. But be careful, before naming any coordination compound, you need to know few things, which are: first, calculating the oxidation number of the metal. Also focus on if the compound is cationic or anionic. If it is cationic, we write the name of the metal with its name. But if it is anionic, we add the suffix ate to the metal name. Use di, tri, tetra, penta, hexa. Now, let's go back to the example. First thing, we calculate the oxidation number of the transition metal. Cobalt plus 4 times 0, because ammonia is neutral monodentate ligand. Plus 2 times minus 1. Plus minus 1 is equal to the 0, because the net charge of complex compound is 0. So the oxidation number of the cobalt is plus 3. So the compound is cationic complex. Because when it is ionized, it gives. So it gives cationic complex compound, plus 1. And chloride ion. And as we know before, that if the compound is cationic, so the name will be the same. And hence the whole name of this complex compound is tetraamine dichlorocobalt 3 chloride. And the coordination number is equal to 6. Because there are 2 monodentate ligand in this compound. The second example will be this formula. And we will follow the same steps. This complex compound is anionic. Because when it ionized, it gives. Three potassium plus 1 and anionic compound minus 3. Now, calculate the oxidation state of the iron. Three times plus 1 plus iron plus 6 times minus 1 equal to 0. So the oxidation number of iron will be plus 3. As you can see here, this cyanide is monodentate ligand, and it is per 6. So we write hexa before writing cyano. And hence the whole name of this complex will be potassium hexacyanoferrate 3. And the coordination number is 6, because as I said previously that cyanide is monodentate ligand. The second example is this. Actually, this example is little different from the other example. As you can see, this compound is cationic. So, at the end of naming this compound, you should write ion. Now let's calculate the oxidation number of the cobalt. Cobalt plus 4 times 0, because is neutral monodentate ligand, plus times minus 1 equal to plus 1. So the oxidation number of cobalt is plus 3. As you can see here, there are 2 monodentate ligand. So we write them in alphabetical order. So, the name of this complex is tetraamine dichlorocobalt 3 ion. Now, let's move on to the next example. First, this compound is cationic. So, we name the metal as it is. And then we will calculate the oxidation number like this. Silver plus 2 times 0, because ethylene diamine is neutral bidentate ligand. Plus minus 1 is equal to 0. And hence the oxidation number of silver is plus 1. So, the whole name will be bis-ethylene diamine silver 1 chloride. And the coordination number is 4, because as said previously that ethylene diamine is bidentate ligand and it is per 2. So 2 times 2 is equal to the 4. Finally, make practice for this. Do not forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.